Ever feel like you're capable of more, but you're stuck? Like you have potential, but it's going to waste? You're not alone. Here are 5 signs you might be wasting your potential and how to fix them. 1. You're always waiting for the right time. Let me tell you a secret. There is no perfect time. If you're always waiting for the stars to align before you start, you'll wait forever. The best way to begin? Just start. Even if it's messy. Even if it's small. Progress beats perfection every time. 2. You spend too much time. Consuming, not creating. Netflix, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. It's so easy to get trapped in consuming content instead of creating something of your own. Here's a challenge. Next time you spend an hour watching videos, use 30 minutes to create something instead. Write, design, record. Anything. Your future self will thank you. 3. You surround yourself with the wrong people. They say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're always around negativity, guess what? You'll absorb it. But when you surround yourself with ambitious, driven people, their energy lifts you up. So, ask yourself, are your friends pushing you forward or holding you back? 4. You're afraid to fail. Look, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every successful person has failed, probably more times than they can count. The difference? They learn, adapt, and keep going. So, instead of fearing failure, start seeing it as feedback. 5. You keep making excuses. Let's be real. If something is important enough, you'll find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. The truth? You don't need perfect conditions to start. You just need to stop making excuses and take action, even if it's a small step. So, which one of these signs hit you the hardest? Be honest. No judgment. The good news is, awareness is the first step to change. So now, it's time to do something about it. Drop a comment below with one action you're taking today to use your potential.